In today's fast-paced digital world, where attention spans are shorter than ever, grabbing your audience's attention is crucial. Whether you're a marketer trying to promote your product or a business owner looking to connect with potential customers, crafting compelling email subject lines can make all the difference in whether your message gets opened or ignored. But how do you create subject lines that stand out from the cluttered inbox and entice recipients to click? In this article, we will reveal 7 foolproof techniques to help you master the art of grabbing attention and craft compelling email subject lines that drive engagement and boost open rates. Personalization. Speak directly to your reader. One effective technique for capturing attention is personalizing your subject line. By addressing your recipient by name or using other relevant personal information, you create an immediate connection and make them feel valued. For example, John, exclusive offer just for you, instantly grabs John's attention because it feels tailored specifically for him. Urgency. Create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. Humans have an innate fear of missing out on something valuable. Tap into this psychological trigger by incorporating urgency into your subject line. Phrases like limited time offer or last chance convey a sense of urgency that compels readers to take action before it's too late. Curiosity. Leave them wanting more. Curiosity is a powerful motivator that can drive people to open emails just to satisfy their need for closure. Use intriguing subject lines that pique curiosity without revealing everything up front. For example, the secret ingredient that boosts productivity leaves readers curious about what they might be missing out on. Benefit-oriented language. Highlight what's in it for them. To grab attention quickly, highlight the benefits your readers will gain by opening your email. Use language that focuses on solving their problems or fulfilling their desires. For instance, discover the 5 secrets to financial freedom, promises valuable insights and motivates recipients to open the email. Emotional appeal. Tug at heartstrings. Emotions play a significant role in decision-making, so leveraging emotional triggers can be highly effective in crafting compelling subject lines. Identify the emotions your target audience relates to and use them strategically. For example, experience pure bliss with our relaxation spa package appeals to the desire for relaxation and indulgence. Numbers. Provide concrete takeaways. Numbers not only catch the eye but also provide concrete takeaways that make your subject line more enticing. Whether it's a listicle or a specific statistic, numbers add credibility and give readers an idea of what they can expect from your email content. For instance, 7 proven strategies for weight loss success offers clear value and sets expectations. A/B testing. Optimize your subject lines. One size does not fit all when it comes to subject lines, which is why A/B testing is crucial in optimizing their effectiveness. Test different variations of subject lines with a subset of your audience and analyze which ones generate higher open rates before sending out emails en masse. In conclusion, mastering the art of grabbing attention through compelling email subject lines requires creativity, understanding your audience's needs and desires, as well as constant optimization through A/B testing. By personalizing subject lines, creating urgency and curiosity, highlighting benefits using emotional appeal while incorporating numbers for concrete takeaways, you'll significantly increase open rates and engagement levels. Remember that each industry may have its own unique rationale for what works best regarding subject lines. Therefore, experimenting with different techniques is key to finding what resonates most effectively with your specific target audience. So go ahead. Implement these 7 foolproof techniques into crafting compelling email subject lines and watch as your open rates soar, ultimately leading to increased engagement, conversions, and business success.